There are a lot of reasons why every person needs a FreshAir Personal. Wouldn't it be great if we could carry around a world-class air purifier everywhere we go? Well, now you can. Troy Sanford, and I want to introduce you to the brand new FreshAir Personal. It's light, sleek, and super functional. Some indoor environments are rife with contaminants. Airports and airplanes, restaurants, hotels. Poor quality air situations happen. FreshAir Personal lets you reduce the pollutants in your breathing space. Take control of your breathing space when you can't take control of the whole environment. You're going to be happy with the consistent and dependable performance of this wonderful, completely new FreshAir Personal unit.